A very popular item that is inherited and frequently unwanted is real estate property. When family members or close friends pass on, they will their property holdings to their next of kin or people that meant a lot to them. This leaves you, the recipient, responsible for the property upkeep, possible landlord duties, property taxes, and possible homeowners or property owners association dues. So what do you do now? What do you do with an unwanted inherited property here in Tucson? Hi, my name's Carl Krenzel. I'm the broker over here at Carl Buys Houses. And, first of all, the property is most likely going to have to go through a probate process depending on how it's currently deeded. You'll want to check into the local law here in Tucson and check with your attorneys. But regarding inherited property, most times it's going to have to go through some form of probate. Now, if you've already completed probate, you may have to do an additional probate in the county or state where the property is located, especially if it differs from where you live in order to have full legal rights to the property. For more information regarding those laws, contact your local attorney or Carl Buys Houses at 520-403-6227 to help discuss different potential probate for your unwanted inherited property here in Tucson. Next, you could rent it out for a profit. If you inherit a single-family residence or a multi-family property that's a property that here's in Tucson you don't want to live in, well, consider renting out the property. This could be a nice addition to your bottom line. And you might have to make a couple repairs or maybe some upgrades to make it marketable, but for a short period of time and in just a little bit of time, it would really be a very good investment here for you. Since you don't have to really make a large purchase to have this extra income stream, you might have inherited this home or a multi-family property in which has renters in place, in which case that's even better. This will save you the trouble of fixing it up and finding tenants on your own. If you inherit a commercial property and you don't own a business or you don't plan on starting a business, you can also rent that property out. There are plenty of business owners here in Tucson looking for a new place to run their business, especially if the property is in a prime location with plenty of traffic. These properties tend to have a really nice return. Of course, being a landlord isn't everybody's cup of tea. There's always a lot of responsibility that falls on the landlord's shoulders. Broken major appliances, roof repairs, cracking driveways, potential structural issues, annual taxes, homeowners association dues, finding new tenants. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. Or you could sell the property. If you don't want to live in the property or occupy it in any way, then selling it would definitely be another option of what you could do with your unwanted inherited property. Please call me at 520-403-6227 to discuss the market value of your property and the possible options of selling your unwanted inherited property. Do a little bit of research, however, to see what similar properties of yours are selling to before you call any real estate buyer or real estate agent. Get a good idea what the fair market value is. This way, you're not going to be shocked when you hear the price. Keep in mind, however, cash buyers with quick closings will offer you a bit less on average than market value because they want to save you money in terms of real estate fees, commissions, and in the long run, they'll often pay the closing costs like I do at Carl Buys Houses. You could, of course, give the property away. Since you didn't buy it and you don't want it, you could give the property away to a charity or a municipality in which it lies. Contact the future recipient of their donation process. I've seen a lot of people do this. And you could also give the property to one of your family members or your friends or your children. You could have still to go through the probate process locally in order to take full ownership or to donate the property as a gift. But no matter what you choose to do, feel free to give Carl Buys Houses a call. Give us a call today at 520-403-6227 or send me a message directly to discuss what to do with your unwanted property by using the form below. Thanks a lot and have a powerful sales day. Bye-bye.